Hello. So today we'll be talking about this company called as Rajeshexpo. It is ranked 463rd, 467 on Fortune Global 500 companies, and it's seventh among the Indian companies. Now, if you see what business they are into the whole value chain of gold. That is, they mine, they refine, and then they manufacture, and then they export, and they retail sale also. So this is the world's largest refiner of gold after they acquired Valcambi in Switzerland. The main aspect why I chose this company is because I'll show you here. This is company presentation which can be found on this website. So as you can see, the company is involved in entire value chain, and it entered into retail very recently. So now if we see the margins or the value addition which happens at each stage at refining, so there are two types of gold. You don't have to worry about that. Just see that in refining there is 0.3% manufacturing exports. So as you can see till here it's very less. In retail it's almost three times of whatever is available here. So company is actually trying to leverage this part. That is, they're trying to do retail sale a lot. So I'll show this in numbers also. If you can see, this is a yearly earnings of Rajeshexpo sales from 31,000 crore. It has become 2,41,000 crore. This has happened because of the Valcambi acquisition, which the company did in 2014, 2015. So, but the only problem is their expense. It's almost there. Like their operating profit margin is 1%. It's very negligible here. So this is happening because, as you saw, it has very poor margin in the initial stages, but now the company wants to tap this 28% margin which they get in retail sales, or 16% margin depending on the type of gold. And here we have market study. As we can see, gold is ever been like the current digital investments, they also have to buy gold. So gold will be valued because of its very limited supply. And the company which operates in this is the Rajeshexpo, and their retail store is known as Shub Jewelers, and they started recently, I think 3 years, and in less than 2 years they have started 83 stores across Karnataka. The one more thing is the company is headquartered in Bangalore. So now if we see company what it is doing as of date, it refines 907 tons. In that it gives to banks and central banks 582 tons. So these banks will store gold bullions in their storage or locker, and then they manufacture gold gems and gold and jewelry. From this it exports majority of it, then wholesale, and then retail. As you can see, it's very small, 7 ton out of 170 tons. It's sold directly to customers, and this is why its margins are very bad. So they are planning to increase this. So they want to increase this figure. So what the company is planning to do is, if you see its future prospects, as you can see, revenue contribution as of now by retail is just 1%. So the company wants to take it to 20% down the line. But the revenue contribution of 20% will result in 83% profit given within 6 years. So they want to refine 1,500 tons of gold and sell directly 1,200 tons to customers. And this is their massive plan. And if they do this, I'm pretty sure even if you take 28%, or let's say if you take 15% as profit of this amount, it turns out to be like 30,000 crore. That's just massive, and it's very ambitious. Let's see if they'll be able to execute it. So these are the plans they have. They have all these facilities. That is, they manufacture, they refine at Valcambi, and then they manufacture gold, and then they have very small plan of like very small retail store as of date. So they want to make increases by using Shub Jewelers, their retail store, and then other opportunities like e-commerce, wherein they sell, they deliver gold to your home, like gold biscuits, and then duty free shops at airports and other places. So their Shub Jewelers, if you see plan, the in first phase they want to open 500 retail stores in for showrooms in 5 South Indian states where gold is highest consumption. Then they want to add another 1,500, and then 500 more stores all over the globe. So this is their ambitious plan, and then they want to give all this e-commerce platform. They want to leverage that for giving people the gold biscuits if they want. It's a good investment decision also. And then duty-free shops at airports and vending machines as well. They are planning to put wherein you can pay the money and you'll get a gold biscuit. So these are all like very ambitious plans of Rajeshexpo. And those were the numbers of Rajeshexpo. As you can see here, other factors like ROE, ROCE are decent, and their book value to this is also decent. It's industry P is 23 and stock P is 21, so it's fairly valued. And then if you see, as we said, their margins are very low. Other than that, the company is looking absolutely fine, and their numbers are also strong. In financing activity, recently they paid 4,920 crores back, so that shows another positive, and they have good reserves also. Like they have 10,000 crores in the reserves. And then if you see holding is a strong promoter holding, FIIDs are also holding good share. This is called as smart money, so you should see for that. And public money is around 20%. And then if you see debt to equity is 0.08%, it's very negligible and company can handle it really well. So now if we come in the chart and if you see basically the company has been trading at this range. So it gave out a breakout from this triangular pattern which was here on June 6th. And then June 8th, sorry, and then it found a new resistance which was here at 575 rupees. It broke that resistance as well, and then it crossed even 619, which was its next resistance, and it came back. Now it's so recently again it took support from 575 rupees. So if you see 1 hour 15-minute chart, you can see clearly that company again it went to it met its resistance, it came down, it took support, it went back. Now the thing is we have to see if this will break out. If it breaks out, then I'm pretty sure the company can go to its next target, which is around 651 rupees, and then after that 694, and then there's all-time high of this company is around 860 rupees. So easily the company can do this if all their plans are executed properly. So thank you for watching this video. Subscribe for more and more videos.